Welcome. This is your time. Time to let go and to create a new reality for yourself. Find a comfortable position where you can rest without disturbance. Gently close your eyes and bring your awareness to your breath. Take a long, slow, deep breath in, filling your lungs with calm energy. Hold it for a moment, and now, exhale slowly, releasing everything from your day. Let it all go. Let's do that again. A deep breath in, drawing in peace and clarity, and a long breath out, letting go of all tension, all worries. Your body is beginning to relax. Your mind is becoming still. Now, bring your attention to your feet. Feel a wave of warm relaxation moving into the soles of your feet, releasing all tension. Allow your feet to become heavy and completely relaxed. This feeling of relaxation now flows up into your ankles, your calves, and your knees. Every muscle, every fiber, letting go. Feel this warmth moving up your legs, into your thighs, relaxing you deeper and deeper. Your entire lower body is now heavy, warm, and deeply relaxed. Bring your awareness now to your stomach and your lower back. Let go of any tightness you are holding here. Just let it melt away. Feel the relaxation spread up your chest and across your shoulders. Your shoulders are dropping, releasing the weight they have been carrying. This calm feeling flows down your arms, through your elbows, into your hands, and all the way to the tips of your fingers. Your arms are heavy and still. Now, feel the relaxation in your neck and your jaw. Allow your jaw to soften. Let go of any clenching. Feel it in your face, your cheeks, the small muscles around your eyes. Everything is letting go. Finally, feel this wave of total relaxation flow over the top of your head. Your entire body, from the tips of your toes to the crown of your head, is now deeply and completely relaxed. You are in a safe space, a space of perfect calm, and in this state, your mind is open, receptive, and ready for positive change. It is time to release the old patterns. Acknowledge the habit of procrastination. See it not as a fault, but simply as an old program that no longer serves you. And now, give yourself permission to let it go. With every exhale, you release the resistance to begin. You release the need for everything to be perfect. You release the fear of not getting it right. You are letting it all go, making space for something new. And now, listen to these words and let them become your truth. I am a person of action. I am in control. My mind is clear and my focus is sharp. It is easy for me to begin. The first step is always simple, and I take it without hesitation. I break down large goals into small, easy, manageable tasks, and I enjoy completing each one. The feeling of making progress energizes me. The feeling of accomplishment motivates me. Action creates momentum, and I am always in motion. I am disciplined. I am focused. I am productive. This is my new identity. This is who I am now. I am a person who gets things done. Now, let's visualize your success. Imagine a task you wish to complete. See it clearly in your mind. Now see yourself approaching this task. But this time, you feel different. You feel calm. You feel confident. You feel capable. There is no resistance. There's only a quiet readiness. See yourself taking the very first small step. Notice how easy it is. Feel the flow of energy as you begin your work. You are completely focused. Distractions simply fade away. You are in a state of productive flow. Now, see yourself completing the task. The final step is taken. It is done. Feel that incredible wave of relief, of pride, of satisfaction. Feel the lightness in your chest, the clarity in your mind. This is the feeling you will now seek. This is the feeling you will now create every day. This is your reality. All of these suggestions are now locked deep within your subconscious mind. They are a permanent part of you. From this moment forward, you will find it easy and natural to take action. You are motivated, you are focused, and you are free from the old habit of procrastination. Whenever you need to access this state of focus, you will simply take one deep breath, and all this motivation will return to you instantly. It is time to bring your awareness back to the present moment. I will count from 1 to 3. At the count of 3, you will open your eyes, feeling wonderfully refreshed, fully alert, and powerfully motivated to act. 1. Feeling energy and clarity returning to your body and mind. 2. Becoming aware of the room around you, feeling positive and ready. 3. Open your eyes. Welcome back. Go and get it done.